3D printing technology is increasingly playing a transformative role in the field of architecture, revolutionizing the way buildings and structures are designed, constructed, and maintained. Architectural prototyping. Architects use 3D printing to create prototypes and scale models, allowing them to visualize and test design concepts quickly and accurately. Complex geometries. 3D printing enables architects to bring to life intricate and complex designs that were once challenging to realize through traditional construction methods. Customization. It offers a high degree of customization, allowing architects to tailor designs to meet the specific needs and preferences of clients and end users. Material variety. 3D printing can use a wide range of construction materials, from plastics and concrete to metals and ceramics, providing versatility in architectural design. Reduced waste. Additive manufacturing minimizes material waste during the construction process, contributing to more sustainable and eco-friendly building practices. Speed and efficiency. 3D printing is often faster and more efficient than traditional construction methods, as it can automate building processes and eliminate the need for multiple steps in the construction process. Cost savings. While the initial investment in 3D printing technology can be high, it can lead to significant cost savings in the long run through reduced labor and material costs. Emergency and disaster relief. 3D printing can quickly produce temporary or emergency shelters in disaster-stricken areas, providing rapid relief to affected communities. Sustainability. The reduced material waste and resource-efficient nature of 3D printing align with sustainable building practices and green architecture. Renovation and preservation. Architects use 3D printing to replicate and restore architectural elements and historical landmarks with great precision. Custom facades. 3D printing allows for the creation of custom facades and cladding, enhancing a building's aesthetics while maintaining functionality. Parametric design. Architects use parametric design principles in combination with 3D printing to create dynamic and responsive architectural forms. Innovative structures. Architects are experimenting with 3D printing for creating innovative structural elements, such as bridges, pavilions, and building components.